want to talk about going through the holidays alone. I get it. I've got ADHD. I've suffered from isolation, rejection, and discrimination my whole life. There's been a few occasions when I was a teenager that another family took me in because they felt sorry for me, and they invited me to eat with them. And I can only remember a few holiday celebrations with my mother after she divorced my father. It didn't happen very often, but if you're alone for the holidays, I get it. You don't have to go without just because you don't have an invitation to spend the holidays with a family. Any family, not just your relatives, but anybody. You don't have to do that. You don't have to feel sorry for yourself. Having experienced isolation all of my life, I learned how to live inside of my own head. I didn't just have imaginary friends as a child. I had a whole damn imaginary family because I didn't have one. That's just the way it is. After I got out on my own, I was in college in my 20s. I started celebrating holidays by myself for me. I didn't need to have anybody else around me to show myself the love that I wish I could have had from other people. Okay? And y'all can do the same thing. No matter where you are on the spectrum, you can enjoy holidays with nobody else around you. And it's okay. So I'm going to give y'all some ideas for Thanksgiving dinner, whether you're alone or whether you're poor. Either one, it doesn't matter because I've been there too. Yeah, I've experienced a lot of starvation and hunger in my life. I've been broke as hell. Right now, I still don't have running water. I'm still living in poverty. So I get it. Spam has come out with an oven roasted turkey canned meat. So this is an option for turkey. If you feel like you just have to have turkey, there you go. Another option is oven roasted turkey deli meat. And this is always available. Yeah, you don't have to wait until the holidays to get sliced turkey. You can make sandwiches out of this, or you can heat it up on the stove or in the oven, whatever, and just eat it by itself, and in your mind, tell yourself you're eating a turkey. Because you are. Another option, if you have an oven or a campfire Dutch oven or a grill, is buy a Cornish game hen. You could buy a full chicken, but we eat chicken all the time, and I feel like holidays should be something special. You want to eat special food during the holidays that you don't eat any other time of year. So if you want, go ahead and treat yourself to a Cornish hen. There's nothing wrong with it. You can stuff it and roast it just like you do a turkey. Use the same rub and everything. It'll be perfect. Everything else is dirt cheap. Stovetop has a turkey flavor. Use it. Packaged turkey gravy. You could also get the stuff that comes in the jars. Packaged mashed taters. They can be just as good as what you can make from scratch. Or you can buy the ones that are pre-made in the little container and just heat them up in a microwave. Cranberry jelly. It's something most of us like in Oklahoma. It's the one jelly that we just eat with a fork because it has a tartness to it that other jams or preserves and jellies don't have. So yeah, this is an option. Or if you want, you can get cranberry sauce and hope like hell it isn't mislabeled like the one I got a hold of. Rolls. Go to the deli counter at your nearest big Walmart and buy one of these single croissants. You don't have to buy a big package of heat and serve rolls. I didn't buy this either, but you can buy canned sweet potatoes in syrup and buy a package of marshmallows and roast them in the oven. Or if you don't have an oven, use a butane torch to toast your marshmallows. Nobody's gonna care. Use your imagination. For pies, again, go to the deli counter in Walmart and they have these single mini pies. This one's pumpkin, this one's pecan, and they're under $1 each. You don't have to buy a whole big 9-inch pie. If you want something special to drink, I found Big Red Truck apple cider at Walmart. Get a quart of it. You know, you can have apple cider for Thanksgiving. And you can do this for any other holiday. I've been doing it for years. There's no reason to believe that you have to have people around you to celebrate holidays or the changing of the seasons. Don't do that to yourself. Anyway, those are my tips and ideas for holidays alone. And I hope that you get out of your holiday funk and feel better and take good care of yourself. And I'll see you later. Bye.